Hi, little explorers. Today, we are going to learn about the farm animals. Come on, let's go. This is the farm where all the animals live. Let's go see our first animal. This is a cow. Can you say cow? Cow. Well done. The cows are eating yummy hay. That looks tasty. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep. This sheep is eating yummy grass, just like the cow is eating his hay. Awesome! Let's go! This is a goose. The geese are swimming in the pond. That's a lot of geese. This is a horse. Can you say horse? Horse. The horse are looking around. These are chicken. Can you say chicken? Good, chicken. The chicken are wandering around. This is a goat. Can you say goat? Goat. The goat are looking at you. This is a pig. Look at these little piggies. They must be hungry. This is a donkey. Can you say donkey? Donkey. Well, this little girl is feeding the donkey. This is a duck. Can you say duck? Duck. The duck is trying to itch his fur. This is a little rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Rabbit. Mom, the rabbit is eating the grass. So adorable. Bye, little explorers. See you soon.